In this activity, you will put the words in order to make a sentence. Remember that we put time expressions at the beginning of a sentence or at the end of a sentence. I will give you a moment to try number 1. The answer for number 1, you can pause if you need more time, is we moved to Maryland, and now I'm going to have my time expression a week ago. I could also say a week ago we moved to Maryland. Next. Okay, take a moment, do this one. Okay, the answer for this one, start with subject, I, verb, past tense, paid. What did I pay? I paid the bills. And when did I pay it? I paid it yesterday. Oops. Yesterday morning. Yeah. Next one. Okay, I'm going to give you the answer. We start with the subject. They went to a graduation, and then I'm going to put my time expression last Saturday. Again, I could also say last Saturday they went to a graduation. Number 4. Okay, the answer. We is my subject, verb, visited, object, aunt and uncle, oops, our aunt and uncle, and then the time expression last weekend. Again, I can put it at the beginning also. Last weekend, we visited our aunt and uncle. The answer for this one, start with my subject, she, and my verb, called. And then when did she call? A few minutes ago. She called a few minutes ago. You can also put the time expression at the beginning. A few minutes ago, she called. Number 6. Okay, the answer. He is my subject, my verb is went. Where did he go? To bed. Oops. And then the time expression, an hour ago. He went to bed an hour ago. Or, an hour ago, he went to bed. 2 more. Okay, if you need more time, pause. The answer is subject, we took, verb, what did we take? We took a vacation to Florida last year. We took a vacation to Florida last year. Again, the time expression can go at the beginning also. Last year, we took a vacation to Florida. Okay, number 8. The answers. The subject is the students. Let's start with the students gave a presentation. When did they give it? Yesterday afternoon. The students gave a presentation yesterday afternoon. or yesterday afternoon, the students gave a presentation. All right, good. Again, remember that time expression can go at the beginning or the end.